For your PRP hair treatment, well, hair injections in general, whether we're doing PRP, whether we're doing exosomes, some of this even applies to TED, but anytime we are doing any injections in your hair, we want you to come in with your hair cleanly washed, no products, because we want to make sure that everything that we're doing, nothing else is hindering its effects. Now, I would like for the quality of the PRP to be good when we do it. So if you could eat green leafy vegetables, that would be great, but we know that's hard to do. If you can, at a minimum, try not to consume any alcohol for about 72 hours before your treatment, because it thins the blood, it affects the PRP. We just want to make sure that we give you the best treatment possible. We also want you to not take any NSAID. So ibuprofen, Motrin, Aleve, aspirin, all of those things, again, thin the blood, affects the quality of the PRP. The other thing, believe it or not, that affects the quality of the PRP is high fatty meals. So I can, by drawing your blood, take a look at the quality of the PRP and tell you that in the last 48 hours, you had a high fatty meal, because you can literally see the cloudiness in the PRP, which is not healthy PRP. So if you're gonna spend the money to do the treatment, please make sure that for the 72 hours before your treatment, you are treating your body in the best possible way. After the PRP treatment, you might have a slight headache. You can take Tylenol for it. We have some here. We're happy to give you if you need it. But go home and just rest. We still don't want you to do anything to your hair for about 12 hours after. So if you do it during that day, don't wash your hair that night. The next morning, you washing your hair is totally fine. You'll be a little bit sore to touch, so maybe not planning any kind of hairdresser appointments or anything like that for about 2 to 3 days afterwards would be beneficial. Speaking of hairdressers, if you could avoid coloring your hair, bleaching your hair, essentially doing any treatments to the actual hair for at least 1 week before and preferably 2 weeks after the treatment, that would be really beneficial to the end result. Other than that, that's about it. You don't need to do anything else.